Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here to present you my latest project. This is a very easy and quick and very easy to make folio. And I use for this folio from the Seven Gypsies, the Wanderlust papers. So I use papers from the 8x8, and I also use some papers from, I use a paper from the 12x12. The 12x12, it's a stiffer paper, it's more cardstock, more heavier paper, so it's great for covers. Let's start explaining to you what I did. This is a perfect project because it's very easy, quick to make. You can embellish it more if you wish, but if you keep it flat like that, you can put it in a mailing envelope because it's not a big one. You can put it in a mailing envelope and you can send it to your friends as a gift instead of a card. You know, you can get out of the usual sending cards. So this is 10 centimeters by 21, and in inches is 4 inches by 8. After I will done sewing to you, a tutorial will follow. You can also do it in much more embellishment and decoration, and you can do it. So I didn't know what to put as a closer. I haven't decided yet, so I put this burlap rope. And you can untie it or you can just slide it out. And my folio opens like that because I wanted this part of the paper to be the outside. So the other part of the paper was this, so I wanted it inside. So this is how it's done. So we have here 2 pockets. We have 1 pocket here, and I took from the 8x8 these ephemeras, and I make them as small booklets, so you can write something in it. So a person can carry it in the bag or in their book, or they can have it there. So we have 2 pockets here. This is a piece of paper. I love this piece of paper. And I just did stitching. I have done in several places stitching. So this is another ephemera that I made as a booklet. So we have 2 pockets here. All I do, I glue it and then stitch it around and then stitching in the middle. So here we have a folio that is just 1 piece of page that I cut because this page has this design, so I cut them in the size of the designs and created a folio. So we have this folio here. You can put small photos. You can make your folio more square so you can put other type of photos, but I just cut 1 page. And here I have made a notebook here, so you can write your notes. I use as a cover this image, and then I have inside blank pages so you can write on them. And this is the outside. So as you can see, it's 1 piece of paper from the 12x12. I cut a stripe. You will see in the tutorial. So I wanted this to be my cover. So this here, this flap here, has 2 pockets. I stitched 2 pockets there, and I put the small ephemeras that I did as small booklets. So we put them there, so you can write something. And this one with keys. I love these ephemeras. And this comes in the paperback, the Wanderlust. It's the same paperback. And I choose this page because this reminds me of, you know, Sunio. It's a place in Greek with the ancient temple. So this is how it closes, like that. So you can see it, 1 piece of paper, very beautiful, very easy. And I will have a tutorial following this so you can see it. So this is the front. I put some metal embellishment and wrote Voyage. So thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think. We'll speak soon. Bye bye.